welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back at you guys with another video, and today I'm going to be doing this beautiful eye look using the Joy Lorraine Cosmetic Paradise 18 color eyeshadow palette. I was lucky enough to be sent this palette, and I also have a discount code if you guys do decide to get it. No pressure though, but this is stunning, guys, and I was super excited to do this eyeshadow look. So if you want to see what I did and how I achieved that look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm taking my Morphe 441 brush, M441 brush, and I am taking that orange color from the palette, and I'm just buffing in the eyeshadow just above the crease area, just doing a wind wiper motion as well as circular motion, just to start out with my first blend. Now I'm taking the matte purple from that palette and I'm working that color in the outer corners of my eyes, and then I'm going to sweep it towards my crease area, and I'm using circular motions to apply that color. The brush that I'm using is from The Balm. I don't know if they still have this brush, but this brush is almost I would say 8 years old, so I don't know if they still have it, but I like this brush because it gives me like that precise precision that I need in order to apply this purple color. Now I'm going back in with that matte orange that I used in the beginning for my first blend, and kind of just blending out the harsh edges of that matte purple, and I'm going back in with my M441 brush to do so. So I'm taking my NYX concealer in Can't Stop Won't Stop in the color Alabaster, and with my MAC 242 brush I am going to be doing a cut crease, and I am taking my time to apply this concealer. You always want to take your time when doing a cut crease. This could be the most tedious part of your eye look, but once it's applied properly, it will be worth it. So taking the MAC flat brush, I forgot what number it is, but I will leave it down in the description box down below. I am patting in this neon highlighter yellow from the palette, which is absolutely beautiful, and I am just placing that in the first half of my cut crease in the lids. So I just flip that MAC brush over, and I'm using this beautiful hot pink color, and I'm placing it at the rest of that cut crease at the end. Just placing it and patting it in. And then I'm flipping over the brush again, and I am just blending the pink and the yellow together, sort of creating a gradient effect. Really, really pretty. Going back in with the matte purple and taking the Balm brush that I used prior, and I'm just deepening the outer corners of my eyes. So I already applied some liquid liner, and now that's me applying some false lashes. These lashes are from Morphe. It's called Eye Traction, one of my favorite lashes. Now I'm taking the NYX Slide On Glide On eye pencil in the color Azure, and I'm just placing that in the waterlines of my eyes. Now taking my MAC 213 brush. It is a smudging brush. I am taking that matte blue from that palette, and I'm smoking out my bottom waterline. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below, and I'll see you in a few days with another video. Bye, guys.